Keeping campus clean and safe this fall will take a community effort. I'm Derek Scott, Associate Vice President for Facilities Management, and our dedicated custodians will increase cleaning and sanitizing efforts across campus, reaching all public areas at least once a day during periods of use. That includes classrooms, laboratories, common building spaces, as well as common areas in the residence halls, dining halls, recreation facilities, libraries, and the popular Scott Student Center. We'll use both high-tech fogging machines and manual cleaning methods to clean and sanitize large areas such as lecture halls and small high-touch surfaces such as door handles. We'll follow a deep cleaning protocol if a student, employee, or visitor would unfortunately test positive for COVID-19. Our students, faculty, and staff are encouraged to follow our guidelines to increase personal hand sanitizing efforts, and to that end, we'll place additional hand sanitizer stations across the campus and in all classrooms and labs. We'll also make available other cleaning and sanitizing products in classrooms and labs, which may include disinfecting wipes and EPA-registered disinfecting sprays. We encourage faculty and students, when they enter a room, to use the supplied products to sanitize their space. Maintaining a clean and safe campus is everyone's responsibility, and we're glad to play our part in caring for our Creighton community.